This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisette Sarradet. Location, location, location. Great opportunity to transform this property into your dream home. Upgrade this 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths within the existing floor plan to suit your needs, or make a smart investment while this coveted family neighborhood is still affordable. The 7,560 square feet lot allows for an addition, a pool, or develop new. Covered carport conveniently accesses the house through a side door. Close distance to Miami International Airport and Coral Gables. This will not last. For more information, review the details below.